Hey guys, how you doing today? Talking to some students and having a difficult time with the difference between mass and weight. Because for so many years we've been stepping on scales and measuring our weight. Everybody assumes that mass and weight are the same thing. And in the science community, they're not. They're not. They're not completely different, but they're different items. Weight is the force that an item pushes down or left, right, whatever, but it's the force that something pushes. Mass is literally just how much stuff you have in an object. So, for instance, like my pen, I can find the mass of this pen. What that mass is really going to measure is how much stuff is in there. How many molecules of plastic and ink and metal are in here? How many total molecules do I have in this pen? Because that never changes. Never changes. The mass of this will always be the same. Now, the weight of this or the force pushing down of this is going to be determined by the mass times the acceleration. And a lot of times we think acceleration of things moving like cars. But for us here on Earth, the acceleration is about 10 meters per second. Gravity pulls everything to the Earth at about 10 meters per second. So we take the mass of this. Let's just say it was, just for argument's sake, that it's a kilogram, times that 10, that's going to tell us 10 newtons. It's going to have 10 newtons force pushing it down. If I took this and put it on the moon, if it was a kilogram and it's 10 newtons, it'd only be about 1.6 newtons pushing down because of gravity. That gravity is an acceleration pulling it down. Gravity on the moon's about 1.6. Go to Jupiter, it's roughly 2730. So it'd be 30 times this mass, and that's the weight. Put it on the sun, it's about 275 meters per second times the mass pushing it down. So it's a different force on different planets because those planets have different gravities. So mass is just how much stuff is in this. Weight is you take that mass times the acceleration due to gravity, which, like I said, here on Earth is 10, and that'll give you a weight. Because especially right now, man, this is not going to have the same weight if we put it on the International Space Station, if we put it on the moon, if we send it to Mars. It's got the same mass, same amount of stuff in it. It doesn't change the stuff, no matter where you put it, but that gravity, that acceleration pushing it down changes. Hope this helps a little bit, guys. Have a great day. Be someone's hero. Put a smile on their face.